There is no job too big for Sawdust tree experts and contract climbing. We offer each of our customers quality and affordable service, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. No matter what time or day, Sawdust tree experts will be on the way. We specialize in tree trimming, tree removal, tree treatment packages, stump grinding, stump removal, brush hauling, and contract climbing. We also offer free consultations and quotes. Call us now for all of your tree contract and climbing needs. Our clients are like family. Call us today.
I was about to be on my way to work when I noticed some tree limb blocking me in from the storm last night.
And because of the time, I knew there was only one company I could call.
With free on-the-spot consultations, in case of emergency, I was able to get to work on time.
Thank you, Sawdust. Call Sawdust Tree Experts today. Sawdust Tree Experts brings you quality service and affordable prices, offering tree trimming and removals, stump grinding, removal, brush removal, and contract climbing. Sawdust Tree Experts is always on call 24/7. Call now.